Hi, myself Naveen Patel. I am Director and CEO of Empire Machine Tool. Welcome to all IMTEX 2025 exhibition. In this exhibition, we are working with our long-term partners like Profilator from Germany, Power Skywing, Scudding Technologies, and complete solutions for the gear cutting industries. Then Boffoli from Italy, located close to Brescia, complete range of the rotary transfer machines. Machines can be configured as per the application requirement. So apart from specific to component, machine can be configured with high flexibility to cover the complete range of family of the parts. Then Jer from Spain for complete range of the grinding technologies, cylindrical, vertical, angular head, and project or customized grinding solutions. Then Waldish Coburg heavy duty machine tool, complete range of the heavy duty portal milling machine, vertical turning center, slideway grinding machines. Drake from USA, a complete range of the thread grinders. From Niigata from Japan, complete range of the machining centers. So special machines for the valve industries with the facing head attachments. Then we have a Gemini's heavy duty CNC lathe from Spain. Apart from this, we also exhibited certain other proven product lines from Gansagi, Japan, complete range of the gear grinding and brake propelloning. TOS from Czech Republic for complete range of the horizontal boring machines, both floor type as well as table type. We are an organization with a strength of around 68 engineers, in which around, let's say, more than 62% of the engineers are from service and application team. So in short, Empire Machine Tool can able to offer a solution for your machine tool needs. Thank you.